So today's chapter name is My District and My State. Okay, can you see the page number 92? Everyone, what is given in the picture? It's a tree given over there. What are the different parts of the tree? Can you see here? Come on, anybody write for me? What are the different parts of trees? Come on, write for me. Yes, stem, trunk, very good. Fruit, flower, leaf, branch, root. Okay, these are the different types of parts of trees. Okay, thank you, very good. Which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Which of this part has been seen every time, most of the time? Leaf. Very good, Tanisha. We can see every time leaf on the tree. We can see a leaf on the tree. Which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? Come on, which is the smallest part of the tree? Children? Root. Okay, root, it's under branch. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me another question? How many big branches does the trunk of the tree have? How many big branches does the trunk of the tree have? Can you count it? Big one branches I want. Big branches I want. The number of big branches. Come on, tell me. 5. Okay, it's a 5. You are seeing this, I think so. This is 5. Okay. And this one is also maybe inside. There is also branches over there. Okay. Okay. Now, to be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas, and districts. In our state, there are many types of settlements, means जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, villages are there, towns are there, talukas are there, and so many districts are there. Only our Thane district is not there. Yes or no, children? There are so many districts in our state. Okay, in our state. Man began to farm the land. Man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. Now, man, why is because doing the farming? पेट भरने के लिए वो फार्मिंग करता है. Yes or no, children? We also need grains and all that. अगर बोलते ना farmers only farming नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोग कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलेगा. So what they are doing, man started doing farming. तो वो लोग farming कहाँ पे करेंगे? Then where they will do the farming? They near the water. जहाँ पे पानी होगा वहाँ पे वो लोग farming करना start करेंगे. His fields were near water. He settled near his farms and began to live there. वो वहां पे ही रहना चालू किया जहाँ पे पानी होता है. Why? Because of water. Because the tree needs the water. In this way, hamlets and settlements were found. में छोटे छोटे घर वहां पे देखना चालू हो गया. Near the rivers and near the seas, near the oceans, near something over there. Okay. These hamlets and settlements grew into village, which then developed into cities. छोटे छोटे गांव, हेलमेट्स एंड सेटलमेंट जहां पे 2-3 घर ही हो सकते हैं, वो बाद में क्या डेवलप होना चालू हुआ? विलेजेस. विलेज के बाद क्या डेवलप होना चालू हुआ? टाउन्स एंड सिटीज. विलेज में ज्यादा लोग रहते नहीं है, थोड़े लोग रहते हैं. हेलमेट्स एंड सेटलमेंट्स में ज्यादा 2 या 5 जन ही रहते. ओके. But after that, what they become? Village, then a city, then a town, and all that started going. Can you tell me this, children? Area, where is your school? Can you tell me where is your school? Anybody tell me the address of the school? Which is the area? Which is the taluka and which is the district where your school is there? Come on, let me know the answer. Rameshwadi is what? It's the area, name of the area. Write it clearly. Area Rameshwadi. District which? State which? And taluka which? What is the taluka? In which taluka do you live? In which taluka do you live? Come on, let me know. Badlapur West, wrong. Is the taluka not the name? I want the taluka name. Hendrepada is address. Rameshwari, Badlapur, no. Taluka is Ambernath. Very good. Tanisha has given the correct answer. Is given the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Good. See ya. This is your school. City name Badlapur, Taluka name Ambernath, district is Thane, and state is Maharashtra. You're going to write this area is Rameshwari. Area is where? Rameshwari. Okay, children? This is means a address full of address. A state Maharashtra, capital of Mumbai. Our state is Maharashtra, capital of Mumbai. Formation date is 1st May 1960. When does our Mumbai form? Is 1st May 1960. Okay, Maharashtra state. In Maharashtra, there are different rivers. In Maharashtra, there are different rivers. First, in some, before that also I taught you about the rivers and all that. Yes or no, children? Then there are Godavari, Girna River, Mulla, Mutha, Ulhas, Savitri, Panchaganga, Krishna, Koyna. Largest city is what in our state is Mumbai. River in Maharashtra, sorry, in Maharashtra, not in our state. River Godavari is the biggest river in Maharashtra, and the Kalsubai peak is the highest peak on the Sahyadri mountain. Maharashtra is divided into 36 districts and 6 regions. This is the information about our Maharashtra state. This is the information about our Maharashtra state. Okay, again I am repeating. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital, children. Okay, in Maharashtra there are different rivers. Which are there? They are Godavari, Girna River, Mulla, Mutha, Ulhas, Savitri, Panchaganga, Krishna, and Koyna. These are the names of river in our Maharashtra. The largest city कौन सी है महाराष्ट्र में? Mumbai. Okay, second one is Nagpur. First one is what? Mumbai, and second one is Nagpur. River Godavari is the biggest river in Maharashtra. Okay, which is the biggest river in Maharashtra is a river Godavari. And Kalsubai peak is the highest peak on the Sahyadri mountain. Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is divided into 36 districts. How many districts are there in Maharashtra? 36, and 6 regions are there. Now, the Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak is Satpura mountain in Astamba. The Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghat. Kalsubai is in this mountain is highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. The Arabian Sea is the west of the state. Can you see the page number 96, children? This is a physical map. Maharashtra state का physical map है यहाँ पर. See, rivers are given over there. Rivers are there. Then ghats are given over there. Then peak is given over there. District headquarters are given over there. Lake reservoir is given there. Please see the page number 96 because this is not clear. This is not clear. So please see the page number 96, everyone. Maharashtra plateau is given over there. Everything, this is Maharashtra. This is not our state. This is a Maharashtra map. This is only our Maharashtra map given over there. Okay. Can you see everyone page number 94 of your textbook? This is physical map of the Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital. I told you first only. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into 3 regions. The coastal region, the mountainous region, and the plateau region. The Godavari river is the longest river in Maharashtra. Again, I am repeating for you. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And second capital is Nagpur. First is Mumbai and second is Nagpur. This information is about Maharashtra state, okay, where we live. I am giving the information about the Maharashtra state where we live. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into 3 regions: the coastal region, the mountainous region, and the plateau region. The Godavari in the northern part of Maharashtra, river is the longest river in Maharashtra. The Satpura mountain is the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Astamba. Okay, the Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats. Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is the west of the state. The Arabian Sea is the west of the state. Just remember everything which is the capital of Maharashtra, first one and second one. Okay, children? Next one. Now see, this is the map given on the 95 page number, Maharashtra state average annual rainfall. Can you see the rainfall over there? This is a map given for the rainfall. The region of high and moderate and low rainfall are shown on the map given here. Rainfall has an effect on agriculture. Without rainfall, our agriculture means our farming नहीं हो सकती है, हम लोग को खाना नहीं मिल सकता है, grains we cannot get without the rain. हम लोग को पानी की बहुत जरूरत है. Okay, we need and water. Rainfall is must in our Maharashtra. Okay, a table is given on the next page. It shows the crop grown in region on high, moderate, and low rainfall. Okay. Then the production of crop depend on the climate. The production of crop depend on the climate. Every time the climate is up and down, समझो गर्मी है तो तभी क्या grow हो सकता है, वो देख के ही farmers grow करते हैं वो crop को. Okay, children, and availability of water is must. Then different region of Maharashtra get different amount of rainfall. Each and every time, कभी कभी वहां पे rain होता है, बारिश होती है, यहाँ पे धूप रहता है. You must be knowing that. कभी अपने स्कूल के इधर बारिश नहीं गिरती तो वहां पे बारिश गिरती है, हाईवे पे बारिश गिरती है, ये ऐसे ही होता है ड्यू टू रीजन्स एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, different region of Maharashtra get different amount of rainfall. As a result, there is variety in the crops grown. As a result, there is a variety in the crops grown. Agriculture is a main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture is a main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. Mostly depends on rainfall. For the agriculture purpose, we depend on the rainfall. This is called rain-fed Jirayati agriculture, Bagayati and Jirayati. Okay. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated Bagayati agriculture. This is also called Bagayati agriculture. The agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season, and one that falls during the winter is called Rabi season. जो रेनी सीजन के टाइम गिरता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, खरीफ सीजन बोलते हैं. फॉलिंग ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून पीरियड इज कॉल्ड अ खरीफ सीजन. जो सीजन को क्या बोलते हैं, जो मॉनसून सीजन में होता है इसको क्या बोलते हैं, खरीफ सीजन बोलते हैं. और रबी सीजन में जो होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो ठंडी के सीजन में होता है उसको रबी सीजन बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड वन एंड द फॉल ड्यूरिंग द विंटर इज कॉल्ड अ रबी सीजन. Then the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizer to increase the yield of crop has risen. However, this results in greater soil pollution. We should use chemical fertilizers sparingly. Organic fertilizer should be used more. In this way, we will be able to prevent harm to the environment. Okay, the use of chemical fertilizer should be limited. Fertilizer or pesticide should be not increased in a crop. ज्यादा डालने से क्या होता है, उसके ऊपर वो सूख के मर जाएगी. Okay, they will die. The crops will get died, resin. However, this result in greater soil pollution also. Soil means what? A land. Soil means what? Children, matti. Okay, we should use chemical fertilizers sparingly. We should use थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं, स्प्रे करने हैं. Okay, organic fertilizers should be used more. Organic means जो झाड़ से ही fertilizer बनाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं organic. This is called an organic. Okay, in this way we will be able to prevent harm to the environment. Language and dialects is our another forms. Okay, in our Maharashtra state. Maharashtra state was formed on 19 May 1960. I want the answer to be remembered. Everyone remember this. There are different languages, okay, and dialects in our Maharashtra state. So many festivals we are celebrating. So many different types of clothes are there in the Maharashtra. So many different types of languages are there in the Maharashtra children. States in India have been formed on the basis of language. Uh, so many means Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Is the main language that's spoken in Maharashtra. Anybody knows Marathi nowadays? किसको तमिल हो, तेलुगु हो, मद्रासी हो, any of the language person is there, they knows Marathi. Why Marathi is very easy, I think so. But we cannot speak their languages properly, like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. We cannot speak. We cannot means मुझे हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आती है क्या बात करें उर्दू 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 ऐसे लगता है हमें. We think like that only. They are what they are talking. They are giving some what they are saying. We can't understand. But Marathi language कोई भी सीख सकता है. So Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is similarity as well as diversity in languages. Okay. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in different region also. Okay, in Marathi also there are different languages. Means तुम लोग जहाँ कोकण जाओगे कोकण में कोकणी बोलतात, मालवणी बोलतात. आपल्या दुसरे अहिराणी is language means little bit of Marathi only. Okay, means different language are there. Okay, means Konkan side में कोंकणी मालवणी is there. Vidarbha Vardai is there. Khandeshi means Irani language they are there. That's the Marathi only, having a different tones and tunes of language. Okay. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in the different region. We see a variety in dialects that are spoken. Means different types of tones are there. They are spoken. Okay, speaking. We should welcome this diversity. Gormati, Kolami, Korku, etc. are the traditional dialects of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. Okay, these are the Adivasi tribes in the Maharashtra. Now see, can you see these different types of festival all are making? We find varieties in the festivals of our state. We find different types of festivals in our state, means in our Maharashtra. So many types of the rivers are different, state, districts are there, 36 districts are there, 6 regions are there. Okay, then there are different types of languages there. Marathi is the main language in Maharashtra is there. Then I told you about what? Fertilizers, chemical with the agriculture rainfall is must in our Maharashtra. Why? Because agriculture ज़्यादा अपने यहाँ पे farming होता है. यहाँ से ही सब खाना and all that जाता है, means grains and all that going in from the Maharashtra state only. Maharashtra state only. Now festival, we will see the different types of festivals are there. Okay, they're having a different dresses, traditions, उनका अलग रहता है. In the festivals of a state, according to the different tradition, everyone celebrates Diwali. Everyone likes celebration of Diwali. Everyone, Musalman ho, Christian ho, they are means the fatake फोड़ने सबको पसंद है. Everyone likes crackers and all that. Okay, so they are bursting the crackers. Means each and every religion person is making Diwali and all that. Okay, Dasera, Christmas, even Christmas we are celebrating. We are not saying that you are Muslim, you are Hindu or something, but we are celebrating Eid also, we are celebrating Christmas also. This is done in where? In our Maharashtra only. कहाँ पे होता है ये सब कुछ? अपने महाराष्ट्र में होता है. In the Konkan region, festivals such as Narali Purnima, कोळी लोकांचा सण असतो ना हा नारळी पौर्णिमा. On that day, what they are doing? नारळ किधर डालते हैं? पानी में छोड़ देते हैं. Because why? शांत करते हैं. After rainy season, they are doing this. This is means नारियल पूर्णिमा का टाइम क्या होता है? रक्षाबंधन and all that. Holi and the Ganesh festivals are mainly celebrated. Okay, Holi is everyone is celebrating Holi. ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि होली कोई celebrate नहीं करता है. सब करते हैं. सबको एक दूसरे पर रंग लगाते हैं. That time you are asking that you are Hindu or Muslim and all that. No, you're not asking. सिर्फ रंग लगाना है. You're enjoying all that. Ganesh festival, all are making that. Nowadays, even Muslims also keeping the Ganesh idol at their home. Yes or no? Means ये कहाँ पे होता है? In our Maharashtra. Where it happens? In our Maharashtra only. Are mainly celebrated. In the plateau region, people celebrate festivals like Dasera, Diwali, and Bail Pola on a big scale. Plateau means Gao side. Okay, we celebrate our national festival also 15 August and 26 January all over the country with a great enthusiasm. एकदम excited से हम लोग उसको celebrate करते हैं. Okay, this was our chapter today's. What we have done, we see. The physical setup of our state is the Maharashtra. This was a chapter of our state Maharashtra only. Everything was given in what is there in the Maharashtra. variety in crops, enthusiasm and excitement, happiness. Crops according to the climate, soil, and availability of water. The state language, Marathi is the main language and a different dialects. Variety in celebration and festival. Okay, I will show you one video, then you will come to understand what is this. Give me 1 second, children. Till here you understood? 1 second, just give me 1 second. I will show you the video. This will come to know the chapter clearly, children.